This is the third video on this channel. Thank you for your support and encouragement. I truly appreciate it. So how do Chinese people encourage each other? One very common phrase is 加油. 加油 literally it means add oil. Wait, are Chinese people are cars? Why would we say add oil to encourage each other? Nearly 200 years ago, students would study late into the night. Some people would bring oil to keep their lamps burning. One story says this practice was connected to a Chinese official named Zhang Ying. Whether this story is the true origin or not, Chinese people still use 加油 to encourage one another. Today, we no longer add oil to lamps, but we still add courage to each other. This is 加. The left part is 力, which means strength or power. I remember when I first saw this character, I thought it looked like this. The right side is easy. It is 口, mouth. I think when you try to add something, you need strength. And you need to take a deep breath. The origins of many Chinese characters are still discussed by scholars today. Different people may say them in different ways. What I am sharing here is simply my personal understanding because I think it helps people remember the characters. It may not be academic explanation, but it helps me remember 加, and maybe it can help you remember it too. 加 can mean add or plus. 1加2等于3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 加油 add oil. 加盐 add salt. 加班 literally add work, which means to work overtime. 加热 heat up. 热 means hot, heat. 加入 join. 入 enter, go into. This is 油, which means oil. I think you probably already know the meaning of the left side. This is 三点水, 3-dot water radical. This is one of the most common radicals in Chinese characters. When you see this radical, the character usually has something to do with water or liquids. For example, 河 river, 湖 lake, 海 sea, 汗 sweat, 泥 mud, 墨 sink or may disappear. The radical 三点水 came from the ancient character 水, which means water. This is the version of Oracle-born script, 水. It was used more than 3,000 years ago. Later, it became the radical used in many different characters related to water and liquids. The right side is 油. The original meaning is believed to be a plant growing out of the ground. This is the correct writing order. 树 横折 横 横 树. So 油 can be used in many words. 汽油 gasoline, 橄榄油 olive oil, butter 黄油. For English speaker, it may seem strange that gasoline and butter both use the character 油, but that's part of Chinese logic. These things may be very different, but they are share one thing in common. They are substances that can flow. When we combine 加 and 油, we get 加油. Literally, it means add oil. For example, 加油站 gas station. 加油! Let me encourage you. When Chinese people play tug of war, both sides shout 加油,加油,加油! Maybe you couldn't understand that feeling before, but now you know why Chinese people shout add oil to support each other. Let me give you a few examples. I want to learn Chinese. 加油. If you are learning Chinese, 加油. If you working on something difficult, 加油. If you are building your dream, 加油. Here is a Chinese phrase for you. 加油.